Drowning in financial apps? Let's settle the score between Nerdwallet and Monarch, finding your perfect money match in under 90 seconds. First up, Nerdwallet. This powerhouse is your all-in-one finance hub, packing a punch with free credit score monitoring, personalized insights, and a robust budgeting tool. Check out how easily you can categorize your spending automatically. Now, meet Monarch, sleek, collaborative, and focused on holistic financial planning. Its standout feature is its family-friendly functionality, allowing you to easily share and manage finances with a partner or family member. Notice the customizable dashboard, making tracking goals incredibly easy. Nerdwallet shines with its free credit score tracking, whereas Monarch truly sets itself apart with its collaborative planning. Both offer strong investment tracking and budgeting capabilities, but their strengths lie in these crucial differences. Nerdwallet is your go-to if you need a comprehensive overview, especially with free credit monitoring built right in. It's great for getting your feet wet without breaking the bank. If you prioritize collaborative financial planning and a visually appealing, intuitive interface, then Monarch is your champion. It offers more in-depth insights and a smoother user experience, making it a worthwhile investment. The bottom line, both are fantastic options. Try their free trials, explore their features, and discover the finance app that perfectly aligns with your unique needs and goals. Now go conquer your financial future.